My name is Sharida binti Anas. My meeting's number is 263-840. Okay, I will start the presentation with the company overview, which is DB SCHENKER. DB SCHENKER is a pioneer in contract logistics worldwide. They have about 76.9k workers at nearly 2,100 locations, with a total of 8.4 million square meters of storage space, warehouse in more than 50 nations on all continents. For the layout, DB SCHENKER will assist their customer with warehouse layouts, process improvements, and also sizing of personnel. DB SCHENKER holds top position in automotive, technology, consumer goods, and many more. For the value-added services, DB SCHENKER not only boosts the workflow of operations, they promote techniques to delay final assembly and product marking until final use takes place. Lastly, DB SCHENKER fleet of more than 100 special vehicles.
Hi, my name is Nur Sabila Nazifah. I'm going to explain about inbound activities. Okay, inbound activities usually consist of receiving, put away, and storage. And inbound logistics for DB SCHENKER, they use an innovative solution and consistent first-class operation that set new standards managing the supply chain of their customers around the world. Okay, as for the receiving process at DB SCHENKER, once product arrives, it will be unloaded depending the weight of the product. If it is small item, the goods will unload from the truck by the workers and infeed into the conveyor. Next, it will be automatically scanned by the system in order to make its entry to the system so that ownership is assumed and SKU is confirmed. During the movement in conveyor, there will be a distance adjustment from each product to identify the weight of each product automatically using WMS and merging towards scanning for further distribution and storage. Different from big items, it will be unloaded by using forklift or AGV that carry pallet. Okay, as put away process in DB SCHENKER, it involving the movement inventory inside warehouse from one location to another. Put away process in DB SCHENKER are all handled by the automated material handling equipment that carry pallet during put away process that least use of manpower to avoid human error. After receiving, there will be a generated put list which include product SKU, UPC barcode, reserve quantity, and the location that inventory will be located. Later on, physical put away will be performed, which stock are physically picked with the help of material handling equipment, either EGV or forklift that stack at location mentioned on put list. Next, the stock update will be made into system to verify the physical quantity of products. Okay, as for storage process, to storage process, SCHENKER have an automated document printing and storage, mostly rack on robot that bring the item to its place. And there are three types of storage, which are selective pallet racks, pushback racking, and drive-in racking. In Sweden, DB SCHENKER has implemented the carry pick automated online order fulfillment and return handling solution. The core of the system, 65 self-moving robot, which is AGV, handle 1,550 mobile racks, managing 35,000 different articles and up to 40,000 order line per day. It can also cover up more than 6,000 square meters warehouse space. The solution today is probably the biggest of its kind worldwide.
Outbound activities. Activity need to deliver the finished product to the end customer. The activity include picking, sorting, packaging, and shipping. Picking process, the company involves technology in the warehouse where they apply small glasses from PKV and scanning glove from Pro Glove for increasing efficiency in the warehouse. PKV use Google Glove to project necessary detail in user view, while Pro Glove is intelligent scanning glove that triggered by clicking button on. In order for worker, use both hands to pick up and select item better. The other technology being used in warehouse is tablet and voice picking technology. Next is sorting process. Process to accurately categorize product according to their characteristic and to assign a proper storage position. Using conveyor belt where weight control and distance adjustment also have been done through sensor at conveyor belt. After that, it will be merged and scanning for further distribution. Next is the packaging process. Method of gathering and packing goods in order to ready them for shipping to the customer. In companies, there are different types of material for packaging as company itself develop and consultation on packaging material to a customer. Example, container, box, cardboard box, and transport thermal protection. The DB SCHENKER provide cargo securing system where it is secure packaging where non-slip paper, cushioning material, edge protector Laneige airbag were put in the packaging in order to avoid damages happen toward the item. Last but not least, shipping process. Shipping process where it is ready to deliver to the final customer. As good at shipping areas, after the packaging process, so it will be moved by material handling to be stored in the truck before dispatch. The material handling that use the move goods are forklift and conveyor, such as belt, chain, roller, and others to directly placed in the truck.
My name is Aiman Farhan and my metric number is 263736. Okay, now I would like to explain about the reverse logistics. Okay, the definition of reverse logistics is all operations which related to the reuse of materials and products are covered by the reverse logistics activities. It is the method and process by which the efficiency of the raw materials, in-process inventory, finished goods, and also the related information from the point of destination to the point of origin. Okay, next is the reverse logistic activities in DB Schenker. The reverse and spare logistic solution provided by DB Schenker help their customer to reduce the expenses and waste of the service by maximizing the repairs and turns. The activities include return parts verification, return inspection and disposal, return to vendor, next is recycling, and then return material authorization processing, replacement and warranty check, asset recovering, and lastly repair service. Okay, next, what are benefit of reverse logistics in DB Schenker? Firstly, DB Schenker use their own facilities, so there's no need for the client to worry about the instrument and the expendables. Next is specialized in the productivity of operations. The value-added service are carried out accurately both in the term of time and money. Lastly, it is less fixed cost, where the customer being less staff and still have sufficient capacities at peak time.
Assalamualaikum and have a good day to Doctor. My name is Hasni Syairah binti Hassan. My metric number is 265614. I will present about a safety and security aspect for DB Schenker company. DB Schenker company serve the best quality of service and product to customer. They provide a top quality management multimodal, globally integrated logistics service across a wide range of industry sectors. However, they are very committed in minimizing impact of the environment and ensure that all their staff remain safe in every sector they serve. They have three system compliance, which is ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 for international standards. There are several guiding principles implemented in DB Schenker company, including they continually ensuring the workplace are at safest place, pleasant and stress-free. They identify the hazards and control risks through suitable assessment, related activities with the commitment to improve or environmentally related activities in line to sustain the development and legislative compliance. They also identifying risks and opportunities, ensuring all staff and other stakeholders that can confidently report all near misses and incidents. And next, they have providing a suitable quality safety, health and management induction for all staff. And next, they also have committing to setting a framework, and they also ensuring the policy is well communicated and understood. And they also auditing and reviewing the policy of quality, safety and health and management systems. Next, for security aspects, they offer several solutions for customer if their cargo is at risk or danger. For example, secure facilities, secure transport, secure parking solution, GPS tracking device or lock that need to install via mobile or concealed in the load, active GPS monitoring solutions, security intervention services, driver teams or convoy transport or escort service. As they take the responsibility for their customer, they become the trusted partner for the best company around the world.
Conclusion, through all these warehouse activities and processes by DB Schenker, it can be seen how they are able to manipulate the logistic industry nowadays. They're keeping a well-organized warehouse and keeping track on technological advancement, while being innovative, are perhaps the most significant feature of effective warehouse in today's consumer environment. For the recommendation, seasonality, economic swings, weather, and many other variables play a role in a demand volatility. So the issue illustrates the difficulty of market volatility attributable to forces beyond the warehouse management. So in order to predict demand, warehouse must still use timely and reliable details. Okay, secondly, the warehouse is the core of inventory management, in which all items are received, sent to manufacturing, transported out, and distributed to consumer. Thus, to guarantee clients have their orders on time, all these things must be streamlined and in complete coordination. Thank you.